Jenga Downfall. How to play. This game requires a standard set of normal Jenga to play. The object of the game is to have as few blocks in front of you when the deck runs out of cards. Shuffle the deck and place it face down on the table. Place 3 standard Jenga blocks next to each other to start the foundation of the tower. Place all the remaining standard and expansion blocks in a pile to the side. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, draw the top card and add the block or blocks shown on the card to the tower in any orientation you want. Blocks can be placed anywhere on the tower, but they must build off the original foundation. When placing multiple blocks, you can place a block on top of a block you just placed. After placing all blocks on the card, if the card has any text on it, then you must follow the text if possible, then end your turn. If any blocks fall during your turn, then add the fallen blocks to a personal stash in front of you, continuing to place any remaining blocks from your card. Continue playing until the last card has been resolved. Then, the game ends and the player with the fewest blocks in their stash wins.